Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy hack on how you can secure your garage door for when you go away on holidays or the weekend to protect your pride and joy, or just whatever else is in your garage and also your house in general. Hope you enjoy. Most of you'll have a garage door very similar to this. I've got an old 64.5 Mustang that I want to protect when we go away on holidays and also just in the house in general and what's in the garage. So what I've done is very cheap and easy to do. And all I did is go to the hardware store, one of these bolts, which is just normally for a gate, screw it into the frame of the door and then drill a hole in the side of the door there. And that simply just pushes in, locks down, and that garage door won't be going anywhere. I've done one on the other side. I think I just got these at Bunnings. I think they're a few bucks each. I think probably about 10 bucks all up. Took me about five minutes to screw it down and then drill a hole on the side. But once it's done, it's very secure, and your belongings in the garage will be protected. Hope you enjoy. Give us a thumbs up and also follow the channel for more.